Whilst there is a place for simulation and virtual reality in training, nothing will replace the ability to work on a real-life process plant. The ever-increasing demands placed on industry associated with production pressures and health and safety legislation can be inhibitive for hands-on learning. DarbyTech products are a substantial stepping stone on the route to competence. They provide an ideal environment for hands-on learning experience. The Hands-on Process Operator Skills Trainer has been designed to increase the value of process technology graduates to the manufacturing industry by safely demonstrating hands-on operator skills with proper protective equipment, hand tools, standard operating procedures, and standard operating instructions. The trainer includes tanks, pumps, filters, exchangers, gauges, 10 different types of valves, various types of piping, flanges, gaskets, blinds and orifice plates, and utility hose hookups to allow process technology students to demonstrate a variety of operator-related hands-on activities. The system is designed to circulate water throughout the various equipment in a closed loop, using hand-controlled valves to maintain normal tank levels. Our Operator Skills Trainer utilizes different types of valves and piping configurations with some transparent sections to allow students to verify flows throughout the system. The Operator Skills Trainer consists of the following hands-on learning stations. Note: Learning Stations 4 and 5 can be operated wet or dry and are mounted on mobile skids to allow them to be easily disconnected from the base station and moved to classrooms or other areas for hands-on skills demonstrations by students and instructors. For more information, please contact info@darbytech.ca.